Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload Garmin activities into Strava. So let's go straight into it. Now at the top right corner you will see this circle with the plus icon in it. If you hover over you will see upload activity. Now click on that, just like that. As you can see, I'm already connected with my Garmin, but you can connect bunch of other options here, platforms or hardware, watches. Then and then when you are finished with your activity, it will automatically, when it's synchronized, uh, transfer this activity into Strava. Then we can do that by file here. You can select .tcx file, feed file, or gpx file and upload it into the Strava. And okay, this one, the third one option here, you can type manually in it, but if you are using some kind of um, watch or something, you can basically just get from the watch GPX file and then it uploaded here. So these are the ways that you can transfer or upload from the Garmin device activity into Strava. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next